Ay, 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 ugayam, kalayaman, ugayam, kalayaman. Son, di kultura, ang dilubong ugayam, kinatigkar.
Nakapasok na sa Pilipinas ang 2019 novel coronavirus. Yan ang kinumpirma ng Department of Health ngayong araw.
To address this crisis, I placed the entire country under a state of public health emergency.
As the COVID-19 pandemic continued to strike the whole country, the team of Police Staff Sergeant Luel Miniano, manning the QCP of Taguluan, continues to fight without any hesitation to protect the lives of the citizens.
Hopefully nga kaning tanan maangkon mahimong successful ang tanan mahuman ning kaning pandemic.
Police Staff Sergeant Luel Miniano haven't seen his family for 2 months. He won't go home because he doesn't want to put the lives of his family in danger, as he feared his already career of the deadly disease.
Isa ka frontliner, isod kayo nga madugol sa pamilya. Labi na sa akong pamilya, akong anak, akong asawa. Bisag sakit kayo, panalandungon nga, di na ako sila makita. Padayon lang gyapon ko sa pagserbisyo din eh. Isod kayo, labaw na kung simba ko, madagdan ang akong mga anak, akong asawa. Kung saan na lang ka, ang among paingnan ni Ani.
Being a wife of a police officer, Cruzel Miniano has a lot of worries on the situation of her husband due to the rise of COVID case in the country.
Ako sa asawa sa pulis, 2 months na lang mo siya wala nakauban. Mingaw, kabalaka, naatanan.
Every time Cruzel missed her husband, she sneaks and would just watch him from afar. She knows her husband will get mad if he sees her in the checkpoint.
Gusto ko man nga magakos, makauban, pero dili man to mabuhat nga unta mawala ng talikubit para po nga mauban ako damo ang among husband.
Cruzel and their daughter patiently awaits that this pandemic would end so that they will be reunited with his loving husband and the responsible father of her child.
Salamat ha! Salamat ha!